Hi there, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and today I've got a really fun little freebie flip book to show you. So if you'd like the printables for this kit, they're all free. Follow the link below, sign up, and you'll get your freebies to print out. So you get 7 pages to cut out with all the pages in it, and each one is labelled. So we've got 54 pages. And the only one that hasn't got a number along the side is number 1, because we want to use that as our cover, so we don't want a number showing on that one. But all the others have numbers, and you want to follow the cut lines, so just cut all of them. So you've got a page with the number on the left. So I'm going to cut out all of those pieces and then I'll be back. There we go. So I've cut them all up and I've stacked them so that the last page is on the top and the first page is on the bottom. So first page, no number on it, and the last page in this case is number 54. So I'm just going to take number 54 and put some glue all over this, over the number and up to the line here. And then I'm just going to stick the next one down over the top. And then for each one, when I stick them down, I'm just going to tap them against the table to make sure they're really well lined up. And I'm going to do the same for all the other pages. So that's it, a nice little gift for an Easter present. So it's dead easy. The most time consuming bit really is cutting out all the pages, sticking them together. So let's flip through it. So I hope you have fun with it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.